wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Today kids, we are going to learn about the importance of books. What are books? That's a question for Miss Wigglesworth.
A book is a medium for recording information in the form of writing or images, typically composed of many pages bound together and protected by a cover. Before books existed that we know of today, a long time ago, people used a clay tablet or a wax tablet to write things down. Later on, people used a scroll which was made of papyrus, which is a thick paper-like material made by the stems of the papyrus plant. Early on, when books were made just by paper, there would only be one copy. Copies would be made by handwriting them over and over again. When a machine was invented to make copies, such as a steam-powered printing press, it was possible to print 1,100 sheets per hour. Today, while we do have books that are printed much faster than that, we also have e-books, which stand for electronic books, which can be read on your computer, tablet or phone.
Wow kids, that was interesting. I'm reading a story myself here too. But you know what? Let's see what story Olivia has that she will share with us.
Yeah, today I'm going to read to you guys. That sounds fun, doesn't it? Oh, you know what we could do instead? We could have you read to me. Do you want to read to me? Oh, that would be so nice. Maybe one day you guys can send in little stories that you write and I could read them. Oh, that'd be fun. Okay, well, think about that. If you want to do that, that'd be really cool. I'd like that. But for today, until I get your stories, I am going to read Rocket Baby. Yeah, sounds like a song, doesn't it? It does. Okay, Rocket by Baby. Up to the moon. Nighttime is falling. Sleep will come soon. We'll climb in the spaceship, and that's where we'll stay, snuggled up close as we're carried away. Engines will rumble before the big flare. Then we'll lift off and soar through the air. Passing through clouds, we'll look to the ground, and off we'll go, up to the sky. Up and away, through pillows of white, over the edge of Earth, on our flight. Way up in space, you'll float from your bed, 10 tiny toes up over your head. And there beside you, your teddy bear, he's floating too, up in the air. We'll stargaze together and then make a fish upon a big bear, a lion, a fish. Watching in awe as meteors race, we'll pass other babies sailing through space. Babies sailing through space. Look at the smiles on their tiny face. All of us flying from here to there. Our rocket ships racing right through the air. Watching in awe as meteors race, we'll pass other babies sailing through space. Oh, the moon big and bright will wink when she spies you, my dear baby, rubbing your eyes. Dear little baby, flying through the night, I will hold hold you so tight. And then, sharing her moon dust from craters so deep, she'll blow you a kiss and send you to sleep. The moon will send babies to sleep. Yeah. And the moon in her sky, with a twinkle in her eye, will send you all up to the sky. Then on the way home, we'll make our way through blankets of stars to earth, round and blue. So after they go up to space and go to sleep, then they're going to go home so they can be in their nice warm beds. I like that. Down we will glide through velvety black. I love you, dear baby, to the moon and back. Aw, guys, that's so sweet. I really like that. This is a really, really nice story, huh? It's like a good bedtime story. I'm tired. I think it's close to my bedtime. Wow. Thank you guys joining me so much. This has been a really, really nice time. This was a good night story, huh? Yeah. I like this one. This is one that I'm going to listen to or read every time I want to go to sleep. And then when I dream, I will dream about moon dust up in the sky. Fly away, fly away, fly away high. Aw. Thanks, guys. This was great. Thank you for coming to dream again. I hope you have sweet dreams again. All right. Bye. Bye. Good night. Good night. Bye.
Wow, what a fun story that was. Have you heard of the story Rocketbye Baby? I sure want to read more fun stories like that. Well, I guess that's for next time then. And perhaps I should write my own story too. You know what? I'm going to get started on that right now. So I'll see you next time. Bye! There's my pen. Okay. So, once upon a time there was a little girl called Hannah. That's me. And this little girl had a very, very big dream to go on an adventure. Oh yeah, this is going to be a fun story.
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!